Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Garage Door. Today we're going to show you a 16x7 and 8x7 Haas carbon black 940 with top Madison window. These doors are absolutely smoking. The new carbon black is replacing cool black. There is no more cool black anymore. It's going to be all carbon black, so it's more of a deeper, richer black than that tint of a little blue which carbon black had. And I'm gonna bring you up here. You can see we put in nice wide black weather seals. I did not paint these yet. We're gonna paint them all like we did this door here already. I'll show you. We painted the nail heads black, so those will all get painted black. So don't worry about that. I like the frames here on these. On the Haas door, they got the nice frame built in, so there's no insert. And these are insulated windows. These are 1 3/8 thick, so they're urethane insulation, so you get a good R value. You get a nice wood grain here on the base section and a nice wood grain on the overlayment. So these doors look absolutely awesome on this house here. I'm going to open up and show you a little bit more of a tutorial of what we did here. So just got this one on manual mode. Okay. All 11 gauge hardware. Okay, so that's good. 11 gauge hardware. And then this one here, we upgraded the wheels to 13 ball. And then the top one, we put in the zinc one because it is an insulated urethane section. Also, what we did is we put in 15-inch radius tracks. I'll kind of let the camera try and set for its focus, whatever. But we did put in 15-inch radius. We did put in center hangs on the big door. Okay, I got a back hang and a center hang because of the weight. Okay, put an angle mount for the opener. You got big springs up top. You got the warning tags there. Okay, center hang right here. Okay. Oh, the door, like I said, is 1 3/8 thick. So we'll go over here on the side. It is 1 3/8 thick. The bottom rubber that comes on there gets screwed on with the little tiny sheet metal screws. Okay, so it is like a CPO type rubber. There's no aluminum retainer. It's just all black. I think that actually is a little bit nicer because these are all black doors. Now on regular doors, white doors, or brown or the wood tones, I think the aluminum will look fine, but I think for this door the black is great. It does come with the C-channel struts. Okay, don't step on there, please. And if you're standing on your head upside down, don't step on that one. Okay, anyways. So there's the door on the inside, white, okay, ribbed type or micro grooved on the inside. I'll stand back here and show you. That's how it looks in here. It's going to brighten this whole garage up. They had no windows in here whatsoever. Here, let me close the other door here. I'll get you a total view of this, how it looks. Absolutely awesome in here. Turn the lights off and just show you. Okay, lots of light. Gotta have windows, lots of light. And then we'll open the big one. And then I will close the big one here in a minute. Goes up nice and smooth with the store-bought Genie DC belt drive opener. Here, we'll close it by hand. Show you how it balances by hand. Balances real nice. There's the rig, one of them. Real nice here. Oh, and one other thing I want to mention too, these come with an awesome touch-up pen. This thing's awesome. Let me just show you this real quick. You unscrew this bad boy, and there it is. This is like one of the coolest touch-up pens I've ever seen doing this 30 years. Alright, so there's the doors. Carbon black, new from Haas. They look absolutely awesome on this house. Look at this house, it just accents this whole house. Totally awesome. Innovative door, 630-271-9343. If you are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. We're giving away a door opener at 1,000 subscribers. We're at 989. We are 11 away. Drop a like. drop a comment. We'll answer it. We'll help you out any way we can. These doors are absolutely awesome. Innovative Doors, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook and we'll like you. Thank you for watching our Haas 940 carbon black carriage house doors. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.